Hello everyone, welcome to the third session. In this, what you would be learning is body language. Yeah, come on. Now here in this video, what you would be learning is how do you keep your body language. Now when you saw the first few seconds of the video, you would have seen that what an ugly way of standing, what an ugly way of speaking, where's the energy, where's that smile. All those things were missing at the start. Now, when you are communicating with someone, if you lack your smile, if you lack your eye contact, if you lack your content, then how are you going to effectively communicate? For effective communication, you require your smile all the time. Now, when I say all the time, almost all the time. You need to talk to me. Whenever you talk to me, you would see a big smile on my face, concentrating on you, stating that what do you have to say? I'm here, all ears towards you. This is one type of effective communication. Your body language speaks a lot. Suppose if I'm like this, welcome to this new video. Here you are lacking that energy. You need to have energy with you when you communicate. It's like, when you have that high energy to communicate. Now, when I say high energy, it's not required that you have high energy all the time. You keep shouting all the time. No, not like that. It requires from place to place. Suppose if you're communicating with one or two people, you can talk a bit low, at a lower voice. You can have a proper voice in which he must only listen. Not everyone must listen. And if suppose you are at a gathering, you need to make sure that your voice is heard by all. And your body language, how you stand, how your hand gestures must be, because your gestures will give you more power in your content. That will show your own desire, that what you want to communicate. Your concentration will be shown in your hand gestures. Now here, there would be some people say, you are using lots and lots of hands, it's not required. It depends, it depends. There's no one to judge you there. If you want to use more of your hands, do it. If you want to use less of your hands, do that too. But when you communicate, make sure that you have a very good smile on your face. You have a very good eye contact with whomever you are communicating. Because if you do that, then you would be improving more and people would be there to listen to you more. People would want to listen to you. See, I can see every one of you listening to me right now. I want you people also to communicate like this. अगर आप ऐसे communicate करेंगे लोग के साथ तो वो लोग आपको सुनना पसंद करेंगे. The more they want to listen to you, the more likable you are. The more likable you are, the more chances that you would get a job, the more chances that you would be successful in your career, the more chances that you would grow at a rapid, faster pace. So what you guys have to do today is nothing but make a video about you communicating with someone with a positive attitude, with a positive gesture. You are communicating with someone. Ask help of someone at your home, take help of your friends, shoot a video stating that how you are communicating with your friend or family member. Communicate with them confidently, with a smile, with lots of confidence. I'll be very happy to watch you with that because this is step by step happening. Now you would be saying, sir, video कैसा बनाऊं sir? लोग हंसेंगे. अरे लोग को हंसने दो. But you are improving. लोग क्या कहेंगे? अरे क्या कहेंगे? लोग बोलेंगे कि बहुत अच्छा आदमी था, अच्छा था, उसके बाद फिर वो चला गया. Don't think about that. Don't give a damn shit about what other people are going to think about you. Improve yourself. Alright? So I look forward for your video. Complete that, then only go towards the next video. Alright? Thank you very much.